Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing of the 3-in-1 multifunctional charging station. It's a charging stand for your iPhone as well as your AirPods, and then also has the wireless charger for an Apple Watch. Looking at some of the specs here: input, quick charge 2.0, 3.0 charger, PD charger. Output, phone charger is key standard, watch charger 2 watts, and USB output 5 watts. So let's open it up here and take a look. And you see you have your instruction manual should you need it to see how everything works and how it all goes together right there. And then here is your stand pieces. Now it does include the charger, and that's a big deal because a lot of these stands won't include the charger. You gotta go buy that separately, but this includes the quick charge 3.0 charger that you need to power this, as well as the charging cord to connect it. So that comes in the box. Then you here, this is going to be the other part of the stand that includes the wireless Apple Watch charging, and you've got a nice rubber base there. And then that's that part. And then let's see, we've got the main base here. Let's take that out, and there you go. So you can see you've got your standard Apple charging, lightning charging right here for your phone. And so let's see, this part here is going to go in there like that. And then this goes, looks like that. It's going to unscrew. So you can see here in the back, they made this adjustable, and that's because depending on exactly which phone you have, also as well as if you have a case on your phone or not, that is going to make a difference. So they made this adjustable, which is smart, so that you can loosen this and adjust this based on your phone and the case you have on your phone to make sure that it fits no matter what. This back has nice rubber to hold it in place, so your phone can slip down over this. Also, this is you can see that shifts just a little bit, the angle. So they made it so that it would be able to work with your phone regardless of which phone you have, as well as having a case on it. So that'll charge your iPhone. Your AirPods can slip down over that nice little tray here to hold those. And then up here you've got your wireless charger for your Apple Watch. The charging port is back here on the back, and again they include the charging cord as well as the power brick to power it all. So anyway, that's it. This is a 3-in-1 charging station. Looks like a really excellent product and a great way to keep all your Apple devices powered up and fully charged and ready to go. That's going to be it for the unboxing. I will have a full demo and review video following up shortly, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them below. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All the wizards are down there. And that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.